everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into CIBC Costco Mastercard account. So if you also want to log into CIBC Costco Mastercard account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in cibc.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of CIBC. So if you want to log into your CIBC Costco Mastercard account, what you have to do is enter your card number and then enter your password right over here, and then you'll be able to log in. If you do not have an account, what you have to do is click on the register option that you can see right over here, and then you'll be able to create CIBC Costco Mastercard account. Now if you already have an account, first of all enter the card number, click on this box. Now enter your card number. Make sure to enter the correct card number. If you want this browser to remember your card, check on this box, remember my card. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want to see the password, what you have to do is check on this box, show password. You can also reset your password. All you have to do is click on this option, reset your password. Now after you've entered all the credentials, all you have to do is click on this option, sign on. And you'll be logged into CIBC Costco Mastercard account. So that is how you log into CIBC Costco Mastercard account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.